The Javan langur, also known as the spangled ebony langur, with the scientific name Trachypithecus auratus, is a primate from the Colobinae family, leaf-eating monkeys. They are endemic to Indonesia, found on Java and Bali. The Javan langur is a diurnal species, active during the day, and arboreal, living among the treetops. Their infants are born bright orange, slowly turning black as they grow. Yet some individuals have a rare golden morph, their coats remaining golden into adulthood. Their conservation status, according to the IUCN 2020, is vulnerable. Stress the word vulnerable, with more than 45% of their native habitat in Java lost.